About to put the summer tires on. This thing's flat. A fucking nail in this. So now I have to fix this flat tire. Okay, well I got my repair kit. Gonna pull this nail and fill it. See if you can get a good, see how big this nail is. Put you in 0.5. It's a little hard to do with one hand. Oh my god. Well, you gotta clean it out with this. And you guys are getting a full tutorial on how I plug a tire. Clean it out. Okay, put some air in the tire. Plugged it, cleaned out the hole. Warmed up my plug a bit. Pull this out. Put the plug in there. Okay, once you know the plug's in there for sure, like you can see, you want to pull out this really quick, like this. See? Now it's in there. Just cut off the excess. What you want to do is finish it off. Get your lighter and cook it a bit. I think that should be good. And then once you get your desired tire pressure in your tire, you want to I'm going to put 40 psi in it. Once you get 40 psi, you grab yourself some spray with some soapy water, spray it down. And if it's leaking, then you'll see it with the soapy water, and it's not leaking. So we got ourselves a quick 5-minute fix on this flat tire.